Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to improve your English with a very interesting story. This is part 1 of this story. We will learn a lot of new words and also see how to use them in a sentence. Let's begin. The old man was sitting on a bench. He saw a young boy. The boy was playing with a ball. It was an ordinary day in the city. The old man loved to sit on this bench. He liked to watch people. He watched the young boy for a few minutes. Then he called the boy. "Hey boy, come here," he said. The boy stopped playing. He came to the bench. "What do you want?" he asked. The old man smiled. "Can you play with me?" he asked. The boy looked at the old man. "Play with you?" he asked. "I don't know." The old man said, "It doesn't matter. Let's play a simple game. I will throw the ball. You catch it, then you throw it back to me." "Okay." The boy thought about it for a moment. "Okay," he said finally. "Now listen to the tape again and repeat after me." The old man was sitting on a bench. He saw a young boy. The boy was playing with a ball. It was an ordinary day in the city. The old man loved to sit on this bench. He liked to watch people. He watched the young boy for a few minutes. Then he called the boy. "Hey boy, come here," he said. The boy stopped playing. He came to the bench. "What do you want?" he asked. The old man smiled. "Can you play with me?" he asked. The boy looked at the old man. "Play with you?" he asked. "I don't know." The old man said, "It doesn't matter. Let's play a simple game. I will throw the ball. You catch it, then you throw it back to me." "Okay." The boy thought about it for a moment. "Okay," he said finally. Now let's learn some new words from this story. Let's start. Number 1. The old man was sitting on a bench. First word, old. This is an adjective. What does it mean? It means not young. If someone is young, then they are not old. I am 28 years old. I am not a young person. I am an old person. Now second word, bench. This is a noun. A bench is a long seat for more than one person. Usually benches are in parks or outside schools and colleges. There is a bench in our school. We sit on it during recess period. Next word, he saw a young boy. First, saw. This is a past tense of the verb to see. That means he saw a young boy. Young is an adjective. It means not old. If someone is young, they have just been born. Or if they are not old yet. Look at this child. He is so young. He can't speak yet. Now boy, this is a noun. It's a male child. I have 2 brothers. They are boys. Let's move on. Number 3. The boy was playing with a ball. First word, playing. This is a present continuous tense of the verb to play. It means that their action is happening now. Look at the children. They are playing in the park. Was is a past tense of the verb to be. It means that the action was happening at a specific time in the past. Yesterday was Sunday. I was watching TV. Now, ball. This is a noun. A ball is a round object used in many games. Children were playing with a ball. Let's learn some more words. No 4. It was an ordinary day in the city. First, ordinary. This is an adjective. It means normal or regular. It means not special or important. Look at this house. It looks very good, but it's an ordinary house. It's not a big deal. Second, city. This is a noun. A city is a large town. It has lots of houses, streets, shops, and people. I live in a small city. I have never seen a big city. Third, the old man loved to sit on this bench. To love. This is a verb. It means to feel deep affection or care for someone or something. I love my parents. I love eating pizza. Fourth, he liked to watch people. To like. This is a verb. It means to enjoy or to find pleasure in something. Do you like swimming? I like reading books. Fifth, he watched the young boy for a few minutes. To watch. This is a verb. It means to look at someone or something for a few minutes. I watched TV last night. That is, I looked at the television set for a few minutes. Few. This is an adjective. It means not many. It's the opposite of many or a lot of. Do you have few friends? Now let's learn some more new words. Number 5. Then he called the boy. First, then. This is an adverb. It shows the time when something happens. First, we went to the market. Then we came back home. Second, called. This is past tense of the verb to call. It means to talk to someone on the telephone. I called my friend yesterday. He was very busy. Number 6. Hey boy, come here, he said. First, hey. This is an interjection. It means hello. We use it to get someone's attention. We say, hey John, where are you going? Second, come. This is a verb. It means to go towards the speaker. Please come here. Can you come with me? Third, said. This is a past tense of the verb to say. It means to speak. She said, I am going to the market. Now let's learn some more words. Number 7. What do you want? He asked. First, what? This is an adjective. It means which one. Which one do you want? This bag or that bag? Second, want. This is a verb. It means to wish or to desire something. I want to become a doctor. Let's learn some more words. Number 8. Can you play with me? He asked. First, can. This is a modal verb. It means to be able to. It shows our ability. Can you speak French? I can swim very well. Second, play. This is a verb. It means to engage in some form of amusement or sport. Children play in the park every evening. With. This is a preposition. It shows the connection between two parts of a sentence. Can you play with your new toy? Let's learn some more words. 99. I don't know. The boy looked at the old man. First, don't. This is a contraction. It's a combination of do and not. Don't go there. That is, do not go there. No. This is a verb. It means to have knowledge about something. Do you know the answer? I don't know her. That is, I do not know her. Second, looked. This is a past tense of the verb to look. It means to direct one's eyes towards something. I looked at the beautiful sunset. At. This is a preposition. It shows the location of something. Look at the bird in the tree. Now let's learn some more words. Number 10. Play with me? He asked. First, play. This is a verb. It means to engage in some form of amusement or sport. Children play in the park every evening. With. This is a preposition. It shows the connection between two parts of a sentence. Can you play with your new toy? Me. This is a pronoun. It means the speaker and the listener. My book is on the table. That is, the book belongs to the speaker. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.